Hey everybody, so the roads are getting busier out there and people tend to drive a little bit crazy. So I wanted to be able to protect myself. So I picked up this new Ultra HD camera that I'm gonna be installing today. So let's go ahead and check out what is in the box and how to install this thing. All right, let's see what comes in this box. All right, got the user manual. Oh, here's the camera. That's a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Right, you have your power cord. This is the cord and the rear view camera in here. All right, and some tools, adhesives, and the SD card. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing installed. This was a very easy installation. With the adhesives they gave you, I was able to attach it right to my windshield. And then I did it to my headliner in the back because my window is not angled. With the tool they give you, you're able to tuck it underneath your headliner to run it down to where you plug it into your power and all the way back to the rear camera. It gives you crystal clear 4K and 1080p recording. 4K in the front, 1080p in the back. It has a built-in G sensor, so it automatically detects sudden impacts, collisions, locking up critical footage that you need, and it goes on your app into an emergency file. So it is actually, they give you a 64 gig card to go along with it, and it connects to Wi-Fi, so it will download onto your app. Also, you can take screenshots. This is a great camera, and I'm super excited about how easy it was to be able to install. So overall, I am super impressed with this camera. As you can see, you can hardly even tell that it's there, but the picture's good. You have a nice radius to it. It only took me about 20 minutes to install from start to finish in my truck. So super impressed. I'd highly recommend this to anybody looking for a little extra security while they're driving.